Hi, this is Teresa with Yarn again. Appreciate you coming by. If you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate that. If you have subscribed, thank you for coming back. I appreciate that as well. Please leave your thumb and help me grow my channel. If you don't mind sharing this or telling your friends about it, I would be grateful. This is my granny square whip. I had 32 granny squares on Sunday. I mentioned that I was going to do them that Sunday, but something happened that I couldn't get to any kind of crocheting on Sunday, so I got to it this morning. That is how far behind I am. And this is the finished granny squares. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get all these with the treble crochets, triple, whatever, that one on there. And I've got 4 of those done, of the bigger ones. So these are completed. And then I have 8 that need the white border on them. And then I have to figure out, because this is all the white I have left. That one, that's it. That's all the white I have left. So I will find a neutral color to put these together and then put a border around them. I was even thinking a baby color that has all these colors in, because I have pinks, I have blues, I have a multicolor. I do not have that anymore because I was making these out of the bits that I was making hats with last year. And this year I'm making a blanket out of the bits. So then I have the brown, and then I have the rainbow. So I have to find something that's going to tie all of these together but not yet be offensive. So it's kind of a scrap granny square blanket kind of thing. And we will see how big it gets with all these squares getting that big. I would say they're about 10 inches by 10 inches when they're done. Maybe 8.5. I can't do it with one hand. Hold on. I'm getting there. Sorry. Thank you for being patient with me all the time. I am still learning how to do the YouTube, and I don't have a thing that really works with my to hold my camera and the angles that I work in. No excuses made. I'm just bad at this. All right, it is 9 by 9 square. Okay, it's a granny square. I'm doing it. My tension's not always perfect. We're going to say about 9 by about 9 inches. So I have a lot of these. So let's get this pile done is what I said. And I'm going to go for it. And then I will get a color that coordinates with these. If I can find another yellow in the house. Because I'm not going to go buy another yellow. Because I have so much yarn in this house that I have to use it up. I am not doing shop my stash. I'm not that disciplined. I am doing the best I can to shop my stash. So I want to finish this blanket and a few other blankets with the stuff that I already have in the house. Because I do buy kits. I really prefer a kit than yarn. But I use the yarn for hats and scarves. So it kind of balances itself out. Does that happen to you? You go, oh, I like this better. Then you change your mind. And then you go, no. I do use yarn. No. I like kits. That's me. I do that all the time. I'm not the only one, I'm sure. And when I'm not working on the tiles, I put them in this cute little bag. See this little cute little bag? My husband's at it again. He made another cute little bag. This is for, sorry, the box is over there. Yarn. This is for my squares when I'm not working on them. I put my squares in here and I separate them by the ones I have to add the white to and the ones I don't have to add the white to, because he keeps making them. So I appreciate that. And I do appreciate your time. What is that? It's a piece of glitter. Don't ask. I have no clue. Anyway, thanks for coming by. Hope to see you next time. See you on the YouTube streets. Bye.